Talent always gives you the best bang for your buck, and this time they've outdone themselves. The SSL2 mini moving head will take your light show to a new level by adding the dimension of motion. Practically a standard in live lighting now, moving heads create an amazing look that is unparalleled by stationary lighting. 7 RGBW LED bulbs bring 70 watts of illumination to your show. Each light has its own built-in automatic programs as well as sound-activated modes and DMX control. With Master-Slave mode, you can link up the lights and get them running together with or without the use of a controller. Quick and snappy motors, as well as a bright, easy-to-read LED menu, make the SSL2 a perfect device for your lighting rig. They're priced for beginners, but built for professionals. Upgrade your live show today, right here at Parts Express.